Hey guys, we're on our way to South OC Cars and Coffee over here in San Clemente. I'm only able to go to these cars and coffee like twice a year, or like if I call out sick or something. My schedule for work is 6 days a week, so I'm only able to come here like twice a year, like if I'm on vacation. My last week off I couldn't make it because my girl had surgery, so I had to be there for her. But I could always call out on a Saturday. But yeah, let's see what we see out there. The Camaro's freshly painted, and it's not complete yet. It's close. It's about like 80% done. I need to install the front grille, the emblem on the grill, the emblems on the fenders, and the rear panel. I think after that, the car should be complete. So it's 80% done. It's pretty much already there. Yeah, let's enjoy this morning. Let's go get a parking. Once I get there, I'll turn on the camera so you can see how it is to get in. I have a feeling it might not be that many people because I think OC Cars and Copters is going on today. I might pass by after. I don't know. If I do, you'll see it in this video. But if not, it's fine. So there's that going on, and there's also a Chevy or All-American Muscle Car Show going on in Irwindale Speedway. So we'll see how many people show out to this. I already saw about 3 cars heading this way, but I have like a 30-minute commute, so who knows. I'll pick up the video as soon as I get there so you guys can see what kind of cars or how it is just to get inside this car show or Cars and Coffee. Alright, I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so we're already pulling in to the Cars and Coffee San Clemente. There's 2 Hondas in front of me. And look, I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Look what's behind me. Audi R8 and a Ferrari, or Lotus, the new Lotus. The blue one's a Lotus. Yeah, this is an Audi R8. It looks mean, man. Alright, but let's get back on the mount. Let's get you guys checking this out. It's crazy because we'll see how packed it is, because I know today, like I said, there is other events going on also, so we have to check it out for real, see if we get a parking or not. But I have a gut feeling that we're gonna be okay. Maybe not too many people. But yeah guys, just leave a comment, like and subscribe. Please share the video. It's gonna help me out a lot. Trying to get back into the mood of this recording of some kind of videos, at least for you guys. Try a little bit, but yeah man, trying to get these hours up so I get them monetized. But for now, I mean, we're here. We're gonna get started now and then see where it takes us, guys. And that Honda in front of us, it's a regular Honda, but it has a little kit to it. It's clean though. And gotta let people cross, man. Can't be a douche. Some bikers coming this way. Alright, let's check it out. Let's see what's going on. I had to park in the back over there. Let's check this out. Oh, that was some merch here. See, there's already a couple badass cars on the right. On the right here is a couple exotics. This is a McLaren. Subaru's right there. Next to that Camino. Corvette's on the left. Bright orange Z06 on the right. Alright, I'm gonna get out the car in a little bit right now. I'll pick up the video then. Alright guys, let's check it out. So we're parked right now. Look at the two different blues right here. For now, just put the emblem back on the front bumper. SC6. Yeah, I love the paint job that came out. That's blue also. C6 on the Ford. 4 stars. It's clean. Oh, and the M2 comp has the S55. It's clean. Right here, it's hiding. What is it? A 68? Oh, an RS Camaro. It's clean. Still want one of these so bad. It's nice, man. Check out the interior. So 68 Rally Sport. Looks original. It's clean, man. Check out the interior, guys. Wow. Good dog. Got some Forerunners, I guess. 5.0 looks clean, slam. I think at 335, 442, Oldsmobile, nice. The Supra, clean. Q50, 370.
I don't want to ruin your picture. Oh, you're good. If they're walking up, walk down. Yeah, you're good, you're good.
There's one 370s. This one's clean right here.
But I always need one of those. But other than that, I've got the dark.
On the Advan GTs,
Sparkling graphite metallic.
6-speed.
Well, I'll send you these photos on Instagram. Cool. Fast mover, triple six. I'll give you a follow. Okay, thanks. I don't go on it a lot. I just like once in a while check it out. Yeah. That's it. So if you want to send it to me, that's great. Yeah, I'll follow me. I'll get on it. Or just follow you. I'll follow you back too.
Oh, Lexus SC right here is clean. Got 442 Olds.
And the dampers, imagine a damper.
GTR. I love the newer one too. SI, RSX. Challengers. Small parking over here. Oh, that's clean right there. Underrated, it's clean. That's 2K, the color.
Oh, because you took them off?
On the chrome. Oh, that's clean right there. That size. This is nice right here, guys. They're fast. Right, underrated. Seen a couple of videos of these beat the C6 ZR1s. That's like my dream car. Hate to see it lose, but who knows if it was a fair race. You guys leave a comment. You guys agree? You guys think this is underrated? This will beat a lot of R8s. It's nice, man. SRT.
Conversation.
Haven't seen these in a while. 2000 NSX or Y2K. What does that mean?
X is blue NSX.
Monaco Blue Pearl.
Yep.
Very good, man. So clean in here.
Yeah, they are.
It's a good shot of the rear. It's nice. You guys see the Viper in the bag. It's clean. Would you guys take this Cobra or that Viper GTS? It's a nice color. Hellcat SRT. Sound like a Z06. No Miata. The new 5.0. Not bad. The valley of the Hellcats right here. Start with that one right here. Big old blowers. It's clean. I think it's it's a red eye. It's nice. Deluxe. Man, this guy already has a upgraded Whipple right here. Wonder how much he's pushing. That's why I have those tires in the back. This guy too has some mean tires. I don't think it's a red eye. Hold on. Oh yeah, it is a red eye. That's how you know too. It's a little red. $392. This was making all the supercharged noises. C8 SRTs. Elantra, it's pretty quick. Oh, C63s, M4s, F82, 5.0 from earlier. RX-7. Any 5.0 is clean, man.
I'm saving up more money right now because I'm trying to get the game lights back on.
Alfa Romero Spider. I've always seen this car at the dealerships by my house. And this is another one, but I've always liked this front end, guys. Front end's so clean. Anyone interested? There it is. 69 grand. Orange interior. It's crazy. It says 140 miles an hour in 1969. That's insane. It's such a nice car. Here's the Supra we saw earlier. Also a nice, clean example. I've always liked that lettering, Supra Turbo. Here, check this out. Let's check the inside. People usually put pictures of their, their kids and wife. This guy has a picture of a Supra. That's cool, man. It's a cool interior for sure. You don't see too many Target tops. Water bottle says Nas. Interesting spec. It's really nice. Nürburgring. I don't know if you want to take this to Nürburgring. Interesting cars.
$300 for it.
See some people put LS's in here on deluxe. Oh, that's a clean Mustang. All original. Limit for lot.
Solenoids inside the train. So look at these stupid stripes.
A Trans Am, original looking. It's nice. Old school Mopar. Charger RT. I don't know, guys. You guys like these old cars? They didn't went up crazy in value lately. A Roadrunner motor in here. Interesting. It's nice. Old school racing heritage radio with the yellow fog lamps. The 383 Roadrunner motor. That's a nice car right here. 4-barrel. 340 RT. It's nice. Bel Air. Also nice. It's one of my favorite cars. If I could, I would.
One meal a day, you know. How much?
Limit.
There's Ray. Ray.
Right?
Another Charger. A nice Corvette. C4. A 3rd gen Camaro. See my Camaro back there. See if we can zoom in it. There you go. I don't know what year this is, but it's pretty cool. Hot rod. Some of those Mustangs you guys like.
I'm on my first new set of tires. Okay.
Z01.
Oh, yeah, that's those are the guys. Oh, okay. The European guys. Oh, right on. Hey, beautiful. I like it.
So many Sinister, guys. That's nice. Porsche. R8. My Duracell. Nice C706. Ooh, sounds good too. V8 M3. I think those two cars will be worth a lot of money later. Let's clean the Firebird too. Already got my eyes on some. These are pretty cool too. GR4s. Pretty quick. This is what I want to see right here. The Z06. This will be like the ultimate daily. It's orange and white. It's clean, man. Look at that interior, guys. So nice in here. All original. Cool, cool. Another Corvette. It's a nice truck. Nice little Bronco. Oh, that Forester STI is, that's kind of a hidden gem right there. Come back around for that. 16, what is that, 67? 68, I think it's 68. It's very clean. Oh, that's a nice Mustang. See the back. It's a Mach 1. Oh, that Forester looks so good. Wow. The Mach 1. Okay, zoom in. There you go. The Cleveland motor, 351. Martini 911. The Elko. Bel Air.
Whoa. Look at that Josh. Look at this Josh Charger. It's that blue.
There's a nice turbo right here. It's nice. And it's 6-speed. Paint looks good too. Check it out. Nice upgraded supercharger too, guys. This is what I wanted to see. The Grand National. Cars never get old. See them quite often. Look at the rims. That looks so clean. Custom sunroof. I don't know if they came with the sunroof, guys. Leave a comment. That's cool. Oh, it has a hair right here. That's a nice car. Oh, this is the 16. Gotta be on bags.
Yeah, I was gonna say, but to do it, to make it fit like this.
Por la callecita que está ahí.
That's insane. It's clean too.
A mí me gustaría el leather, no el vinyl. Porque pues old school es el vinyl.
I actually like these rims a lot. Pretty clean. Camaro. Yeah, guys, over here you see a mix of all kinds of cars, to be honest. These are kind of rare right here. These are like the convertible Z06 in a way. It's a Grand Sport. That's a 427 convertible. There's not too many of these. The LS7 right there, guys. And it's a 6-speed. Sounds like fun. Yeah, you don't see too many of these. I see a lot of these. Z06 also. C7 Stingray.
This all going
I got a row of them right here. Some more. Let's go check out these Camaros right here real quick. before. Cool little resto mod right here. $200 miles per hour, that's crazy. Has all the AC, all the functions. Check this out, guys. Full carbon body. Same setup as this one, but it's a full carbon exterior. Look at this, guys. All the same weave. Look at its interior. Crazy. Look at this one right here too.
That one is carbon fiber.
Crazy. Oh, that's the R1 motor. Crazy. This one's clean too, guys. Might have to go with this one because it's not all carbon, but it has a lot of carbon hits. I'll go for this one for this reason only. There you go. Little seats. That's insane, guys. So that one's full carbon, but I like this one. It has carbon accents everywhere, and it has a paint. Even the wheels have a little bit of carbon on the barrels. Look at, guys, a Viper GTS with a twin turbo kit, and it's also for sale. There's the info. One hell of a ride, guys. How to record this cool little find. This right here, those two Camaro 68s and the 69, 68 with the LS9 and the 69 with the LT4. Crazy finds here. There's a nice color Porsche here. You don't see this all the time. That's worth a lot of money right there. 360 and a 430. Nice. Let's keep going down the exotic lines. Let's see. 720 McLaren. Oh, what is this? It's not a 720, is it? Oh, the new 750. That was nice. 458. RS 4.0, that's clean. Another 750. Another 750S. Artura. That's good, that's good. California. Huracan.
Another Huracan. $458 right here. Can't go wrong with this car right here. Turbo S. Oh, this is the car we saw over there at the, what's the name of Works? Gunther Works. Like that Speedster they made. That's crazy. What GTR? Check over here on this side. R6 wagon. That's where Alex Choi had this car. And M4 colors clean. It's nice, guys. All right, let's see what else. Let's see what else. Oh, the new Lotus. That's cool. The 488. CTSV chopping away. Check this out. The MK4 Supra is next to the MK3. Sounds so good. Yeah, that's the Audi R8 that was behind me earlier. 430, 911. This is nice right here, guys.
Kind of expand your mind, huh? Like the Aston Martin.
Hey guys, so it is over here in South OC Cars and Coffee. Like, you see a bunch of these cars. Just like earlier in the video, you guys seen that I showed a bunch of classics. So like C6s, 5.0s, M3s. There's more over here. Man, one of them be done. There's Skylines over there too. Some JDM ones. That's a beautiful color right there. The Speedster. That's cool too.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, you're good, man. You're good. 4RS. Hey guys, I'm gonna show you the video just raw, so you guys can understand how it looks, how it is to be here. If you guys don't like it, let me know. I'll chop it up next time for you guys. It's an Aventador door over there turned on. It's cool. Porsche 911s, the Supra. It's nice. You know, I'm here for this right here. Oh. What I like right here. All original. Oh, this is badass right here. 6-speed 2. Okay, okay. It's nice, it's nice. What up, man? Good morning. Good, how are you? Anybody interested? Pick it up. Friday, leaving at 48. The 340i. Oh, that's a clean spec right here for an M3. Let's see if it sticks shift. With that interior. Ah, That's alright. DCT. It's just fast as hell. $1 million cars right here, guys. There's a sticker. Y6 RS, so clean. The SS Supercharged R8. I see an LS back there. It's probably the best car here. Alright, the green Lambo has its hood off. Let's check it out. Yeah, it's good though. It should be built. STO, twin turbo STO, guys. Nice. The GT3 sound crazy. Sound really good, guys. See what I'm saying though? There's the McLaren's Artura right there. There's a Porsche GT3. And then you have your 55 Bel Air. CTSV, I think it's clean as heck. He over here saw a Skyline R32 or 33. We'll check it out. That big body right here. M2. Cybertruck. They're everywhere now. Oh, that S14 is clean. God damn it. So the motor from that car is in here. That's crazy. Fits good too. Not bad, guys. This will be a fun car. I mean, every drifter has this build, but for a street car, what is this? Trans Am. This is the older body, the older motor, the LT1. Automatic, cool.
I'll flip a Scion in a second. Trans Am though. See, man, they don't give my 90s Trans Am no love.
Yeah, I used to have a 95 Z28.
Oh, dude.
M3, M4s. Some big money right there. Alright, guys. Working to see R33. Type R2, but R33 right here. So clean. The C28s. GTR, the wing. Man, it's so clean right here. Put in the comments below, guys, what's your favorite GTR? 32, 33, 34, 35. I like these a lot. These are pretty clean, man. This is nice too. Everybody's sideshow car.
Same as the Chevy SS.
See what's right here. All the M's.
Yeah, I'd
Nice boots.
his cars.
Ooh, the F5 though. 350. MK4 casually sitting there. Subaru also. 5.0. Front intakes on the M3, F80. Alright guys, something else pops up. You know, I'll give you guys a ride right down the bike lane. Some of you guys might like bikes, so let's see. 600, the R1M, that was good right there. A whole row, R1s, Ninjas, SRR, Bugattis. Man, some good bikes right here. Forged carbon. Hayabusa. Cheap money right here. 200 miles an hour. R1. The old bucket right there, that's clean. This one right here. Bikes right here. R6.
Stuffed ass. Probably this is character. Fake ass Yoshi. Real Yoshi. How do you take this from an Indian rider? Okay.
About to head out too, guys, so enjoy this view. Should be built STO. Classic C10. The best part is behind it. Super clean original Camaro, 65,000 miles. It's for sale. I think I got a video of it. I want 22,000. It's a hard top, so you hardly see these anyways. Pretty sought out for. Huracan. Look, ZL1 motors in this one. 69 Camaro with the LT4. This car is honestly one of the bucket list cars. I want to get one day. The M5 too back there. These two cars would be the perfect cars. The daily back there, the M5, and then this one is the weekend. And the M5 is clean. All kinds of cars here, guys, from lowriders to $1 million cars, guys. This car right here. Cool. The Aston Martin though, it's up there, man. It's really nice. I think that's a 296. Wagon on BBS's. M340. M4. 2025 right there. Laser tail lights too. Look at what's rolling in. Alright guys, I'll pick it up in a bit, but she's been crazy. Besides that Cobra in the back.